Good evening, viewers. You are tuning in to Darshan Meghalaya. And now we bring to you today's news bulletin. Before heading to the details, here's a glimpse of the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says Northeast is emerging as shining chapter in India's progress. Meghalaya proposes to form high-level committee to combat pollution along Assam-Meghalaya border. Special police team apprehends man for sexually assaulting schoolgirl in Shillong. Child Rights Commission focuses on safety of children in schools. Indor MPs meet state officials to review ongoing search operation of missing couple in Sora. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma assures all support. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that Sikkim and the entire Northeast are emerging as a shining chapter in India's progress. Addressing the Sikkim at 50 event virtually today, Mr. Modi said over the past decade, the government has placed the Northeast at the core of India's development journey. We are advancing the Act East policy with the spirit of Act Fast, the Prime Minister said. Mr. Modi also mentioned that in the coming years, India is poised to emerge as a global sports superpower and the youth of the Northeast and Sikkim would play a pivotal role in realizing this dream.
हमारी सरकार नॉर्थ ईस्ट को विकास के केंद्र में लाई है। हमें एक्ट ईस्ट के संकल्प पर एक्ट फास्ट की सोच के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही दिल्ली में नॉर्थ ईस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट समिट हुई। इसमें देश के बड़े-बड़े इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट, बड़े-बड़े इन्वेस्टर शामिल हुए। उन्होंने सिक्किम सहित पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बहुत बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट की घोषणा की है।
Meghalaya has proposed the formation of a high-level coordination cum joint action committee to review, monitor and implement measures to curb pollution across the Assam-Meghalaya interstate border. Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Chairman R. Nena Malai informed that the proposed committee is aimed at bringing together officials from both states to spearhead targeted pollution control efforts in the industrial hub of Birnihat. The initiative awaits formal approval from the Assam government.
In order to keep the collaborative activities to control the pollutions, we proposed coordination cum joint action committee with officials of the Assam government. So the proposal has gone from the Meghalaya side, and however the reply we are awaiting.
The Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights has decided to focus on the safety of the children in schools. MSCPCR chairperson Agatha K. Sangma informed that one of the Commission's top priorities is making schools the place for children to learn and become the best versions of themselves as they grow up. She also informed that a couple of months ago, the Commission submitted a proposal to the Social Welfare Ministry to conduct workshops to create awareness on the need to improve the safety of children in schools.
One of my priorities here as a chairperson is the safety of children in schools and making schools the place for children to learn and become the best versions of themselves as they grow up. There is in fact a handbook created by the NCPCR which is mandatory and all schools are supposed to be implementing it. And currently my knowledge is that many schools in Meghalaya do not implement this safety handbook.
A special team of East Khasi Hills Police today apprehended one Himan Gogoi, a 24-year-old man hailing from Jorhat in Assam, for allegedly sexually assaulting a schoolgirl by lifting her apparel, taking photographs through his mobile phone on 21st May. The accused was identified yesterday and was arrested today from his relative's house in Barku Kurachwa village in Jorhat. The police team recovered the mobile phone used by the accused and other incriminating evidences which have been seized. The accused will be produced in the district court Jorhat, and after acquiring transit, he will be produced in court at Shillong.
This came out. Otherwise, the victim probably would have just kept quiet about it. But because of this thing going viral and all that, then we have to trace the victim. And after tracing the victim, identifying the victim, then the victim's guardians and parents gave a complaint. So I think it's very important, it's imperative. We've been emphasizing this to homestays, hotels, offices to have CCTVs around.
A two-member delegation consisting of Lok Sabha MP from Indor, Shankar Lalwani, and Rajya Sabha MP Sumer Singh Solanki met with Chief Secretary DP Waklang and senior police officials today to review the ongoing search operations for the missing couple from Indor who disappeared in Sora on 24th May. Speaking to reporters, Lalwani expressed satisfaction with the efforts being made to locate the couple. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has assured all help and support in tracing the missing couple.
Missing of couple before 5 or 6 years. We have talked to Chief Secretary and police officer. They told we are doing our level best and wait for time. We will come out the solution.
We are using all the possible technology also available with us to help us in our endeavor. As you're aware, this is the pre-monsoon area or the time, and Cherrapunji and that entire belt is known for heavy rainfalls. Hence, it's a very, very difficult task as we move along, but we are giving it our best to ensure that we're able to find the couple.
Shillong Lok Sabha MP Ricky A.J. Singkon has urged the centre to take into account the interests of the local villagers residing in the border areas before deciding on going ahead with the fencing of the international border with Bangladesh. Local villagers are concerned that they are going to lose their agricultural land, which is a source of livelihood for them, if the proposed fencing is carried out. The MP said whatever steps the centre decides should be done with full responsibility, protecting the interests of the people at all cost.
Juga Paul Shaw bakin rai kata yang dia benklek kita don ki parliament sem ki bakodor ki don ki Jakarta joki untuk kita dalam ka dalam kamai jakpo joki kita nakal yang sekat dia atau don kalau kamu kaji mau kaji wujud ka bakan le kita bakam ban ger sangar sa ka aplu ban khatu yang tabah kamian kalawai jong itu tulisan.
Meanwhile, the Lok Sabha MP from Shillong has reiterated the stand of his party, the Voice of the People Party, against illegal toll gates. Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon clarified that the VPP is not in favour of removing all toll gates, as it is aware of the need for toll gates to generate revenue. He, however, said that the setting up of these toll gates should be done as per the provisions of the law and it cannot operate illegally.
Warja India, ek baca. Kim krong kat kom kabalabu, dewan krong arspa, naik so ki krong hidup khaspa. Kom kita dari kepada sarkar ini kat kom krong kat dalam ya. Kita should meet shane shatai kom kita kerja. Ek apa parti keren manifesto. Dan ray ke kaba ini hapannya kom ki kendong lagu ini tradisi cara kerja.
The National Health Mission has approved a Rs 6.9 crore contract for the redesign, construction and equipping of key community health centres to transform them into fully functional first referral units. As part of this initiative, Ryangdo CHC in West Khasi Hills District has been selected alongside Namdong CHC in West Jaintia Hills District and Patharkhma CHC in Ribhoi District for the comprehensive upgrade. The project is expected to be completed within 6 months from the date of the work order. The India Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for widespread inclement weather for several districts across Meghalaya over the next 48 hours. Extremely heavy rainfall is specifically forecast for East Garu Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, East Khasi Hills, East and West Jaintia Hills over the next 24 hours. Meanwhile, an orange alert with heavy rain is expected in the remaining districts of the state. Aligning with the national effort under the Government of India and in collaboration with various districts, the Krishi, Vigyan, Kendra of East and West Khasi Hills and Ribhoi districts today launched the 12-day-long Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan campaign. This initiative, which runs from May 29 to June 12, 2025, is aimed at bridging the long-standing gap between agricultural research and grassroots farming practices. Throughout the campaign, awareness will be raised on a wide range of subjects vital to modern agriculture. The 3-day School Games 2025, organized by the District Sports Office, kicked off in Tura today. The event saw a turnout of over 500 students from 17 schools from Tura region, all set to compete in 5 different types of games. The event aims to promote sports excellence in the region, providing opportunities for students to develop their skills and achieve higher levels of sportsmanship and professionalism. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature of 21 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 29 degrees Celsius, and also relative humidity of 85% were recorded today. Rainfall was recorded at 16.5 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, 18.3 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature, 21.9 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature and relative humidity of 93% were recorded. 18.6 millimeter of rainfall was also recorded today in Shillong. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius were recorded, relative humidity is 96% and rainfall of 22.6 millimeter was also recorded. And the forecast indicates that Tura will experience heavy rainfall, while a red alert has been issued for both Shillong and Jowai. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says Northeast is emerging as shining chapter in India's progress. Meghalaya proposes to form high-level committee to combat pollution along Assam-Meghalaya border. Special police team apprehends man for sexually assaulting schoolgirl in Shillong. Child Rights Commission focuses on safety of children in schools. Indor MPs meet state officials to review ongoing search operation of missing couple in Sora. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma assures all support. And that's the end of this news bulletin. Thank you for tuning in with us today. Good night.